made this homemade Nerf gun out of PVC and PVC. And it's just got like a little tire nipple thingy down here. What's it called? Valve stem. Valve stem out of like a bicycle tire. But it's got just a valve right here and these Nerf bullets fit really good down the end of it. Gotta like blow in or like stick something down in there to get it all the way down, but yeah, whatever. So I'm going to oh, you gotta pump it up with a bike pump. I'm gonna shoot a cardboard box with it. See if it does anything. Okay, let's get her done. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot this box with this and see how it goes. Big hole in it. Okay, now I'm gonna shoot this pop bottle. It's empty, but it'll still be cool. The bullet doesn't like to. Oh, it went all the way in. Usually it gets stuck like right here. You gotta push all the way down. But it worked. Okay. You ready? Ooh, whoa. Didn't do any damage, but shot pretty good.